us is gonna be choosing something random from the fridge, which is behind the camera. So, and one of us is gonna go off and then get something, and the other person has to eat it.
Do we have to be blindfolded for this?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you go first.
Alright, I'll go first. I'll go get something. You can inspect the fridge and see what's in there. Inspection.
You come in here.
I'm looking for something.
You looking?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, everybody. Now that he has gotten his choice, which is French's mustard. Okay.
Oh my God.
Assistant, can you please get a cup measuring thing, please?
Why?
Because we have to get it and then to eat it.
Oh yeah, we all have to.
Oh my gosh.
Why don't you go get up and do it? You got legs.
Yeah, I know. This is too big! But whatever, okay.
It's still up like a
Okay, guys.
No, you need to shake
We're
it
gonna
up.
use this.
We need to shake it up.
Oh wait, no, we gotta do one. This is perfect. Okay. You don't need to shake it up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is not gonna be good. Okay.
Alright, like not a whole lot, but like a little bit.
Like that.
That's good.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that yumminess. Not yumminess actually, but hey.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was just gross.
Good thing Javon isn't here. He'd be like, no, I ain't eating that mustard.
Okay.
It's too disgusting. Alright.
Okay, my turn, everybody. First one? Okay.
Oh boy, this is not looking good. Oh no, he's inspecting, he's looking around. He's looking. He's looking. And remember guys, it can't be anything really disgusting. So, yeah. Okay.
Remember that.
I was being nice to him. I don't think he's gonna be nice to me. If that's the case, I'm gonna pick something horrible.
Oh, we got this. Oh, guys, we're gonna be doing 3 rounds of this. And I got him the lemon juice.
Okay. That isn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be like.
So we're gonna be doing 3 rounds. We each pick 3 things. Pick this one. It's littler.
I'm gonna use this one. It's bigger.
You want me? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. You can.
How much am I supposed to put in here? Like.
Just a little bit.
Second?
Yeah. No, actually.
Second?
Like that. That's good. That's good. Wait, show the camera.
Okay, so this is about maybe a quarter of the way. It's a lot. Okay. It's supposed to be kind of sour, but I don't really react to sour things, so. Simon, give me a countdown.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Did you say?
Have a little bit more. Am I allowed to do that?
No, you're not allowed to do that. Okay, your turn again.
Alright.
Scotty body.
I'm gonna be nice to you.
Oh, you gotta be nice, because I was nice to you, bruh. I was
Yeah.
nice.
I'll be nice so this doesn't get too intense.
I was trying to be a little nice. I didn't want it to be too harsh. But I know I'm harsh.
Oh, I want to do this so bad. But I'm gonna be nice. What if I don't? I'll be real nice on this. Real nice.
What? Chocolate sauce?
You gotta eat at least a lot more than the mustard. I'm being nice to you. I want the barbecue sauce.
I don't know if we even know.
Yeah, there's the barbecue sauce.
Is that good?
No, more.
What?
Yeah.
Not even around here anymore. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay, you can like.
Okay, so chocolate sauce. I don't even know why he gave me this.
Because I was being nice to him. Because I really want the
Kind of
barbecue,
what?
but like the sweet barbecue sauce.
Okay, guys, give me a countdown.
5, 4, 3. Okay. Why would you even need a countdown?
That's good.
Can I get some?
No, you gave it to me.
I still want juice.
Okay, guys. My
Okay.
turn.
So I hope he's gonna give me the barbecue sauce, like right at the top. Like, I hope. Yeah. I hope he's gonna be nice. I hope he'll be nice. So what we're gonna do is he's gonna go, and then he's gonna go again for the last one, and then I'm gonna go for the last one. So.
Or it could be that.
Yeah.
That's just like gross, but.
Simon, I was so nice to you. I gave you the chocolate sauce.
Oh, I did you. What about this? No.
Like, yeah, sure, go ahead.
Soda. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this.
Oh no. I was so nice to you.
I'm sorry, bruh. In this competition.
What is that?
Malt vinegar. You're gonna eat pure malt vinegar.
No.
Oh yeah, we can have our second one. Okay.
I don't know if I can do this.
Just do it. You have to. I have to choose another one for you if you can't do it.
Okay.
You know I might be worse. You're like maybe.
Oh crap. No.
Because there are worse things in there than malt vinegar. Wait, can I see? You did. You barely did.
Oh, that's horrible.
I want to try this. Wait a second. Is it really that bad? I didn't think. Is it really that bad?
I think it is. You need to put.
Oh, once it gets to your throat, it's like
I know.
I didn't even have that much.
Okay. Calm down. Okay. Okay.
So it's
Go
my turn again?
Yeah. I hope I get the barbecue sauce this time. I gave him the chocolate sauce, so. Like, I really trust him. So.
Okay,
I hope he'll be nice.
I think I got my choice. I think I got.
Buy anything, I just hope it's something hot, like Tabasco sauce or sriracha sauce. Oh, Simon, no. No. Simon, I was so nice to you.
Sorry, these battles go down.
Oh, what? Oh, okay.
Wait, what is it even called, dude?
It's
Hot sauce.
let's show it.
Stage hot sauce.
Stage hot sauce.
Who even knows?
Okay.
I want to try this again.
Woo!
How hot is this?
Oof.
Oh no.
It actually wasn't that bad. I was expecting it to be worse. Huh. Alright. My choice. Since you were so mean to me and I gave you chocolate sauce.
I had to take this away from you. I had to take this away from you, so you cannot choose this.
Let's see. What is the grossest thing I can? Oh yes.
Oh, I had a good idea. At the end, you have to lick the bottom of your thing to see everything that was mixed in. Mix in everything you got, and eat it. That's chili and cream. Hey, taste. Nasty. I got this. You got that.
I don't know about this.
This. I don't know, which one do you think is worse? Okay, next song's just
Alright, Simon. I have
You
made
can
my
get
decision.
What is it? kitchen red. Wait. What is this? Red curry pasta? What is it?
I don't know.
I'm scared, dude. You just made me so scared.
Do you think we should do like another round? Okay, here. I'm gonna.
No, we're gonna do it. No, dude, I'm fine. We're gonna mix everything. Okay.
Oh,
Dude.
nasty. Let's show the camera. Ew.
We have to mix everything at the end. We have to mix everything at the end that we have together.
Wait, what? No.
Yes. Yep. Yes.
I'm just gonna start doing it. Okay. Oh, got that.
Oh my gosh.
You're crying.
It smells. I'm not crying. Dude, it smells terrible, dude. Why did I make the choice of combining?
Yeah, why did you make the choice?
Okay, guys, countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
He's good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do my mix, which was the vinegar, the lemon juice, and the hot sauce.
Wait, can I see that? I'm gonna hide the mustard and this inside this.
Oh, that was nasty. Oh. Dang. Oh. That was nasty.
Tony won't look at that. Let me go get it. Don't you dare! I don't care. You already did your mix.
Yeah, I did my mix, so I get my orange chocolate sauce.
Oh, I'm in it. I'm scared. Nuts.
Of course you are.
Nutzel, butzel. I'm going nuts on this sauce. I don't even know if that's gonna make it better. I don't even know.
It's not. I'm really sure that's gonna taste horrible. Alright, show the camera. So tell them what you did with it.
So I just I covered the paste, the freaking Thai curry paste. Thai curry paste I put it in the mustard under the chocolate sauce. Dude, my heart's beating.
I know. Alright guys, I just wanted to say, he's screwed. Okay? Yep.
Dude, I don't know if this is a good challenge.
Oh, I think this is an awesome challenge. You might want to get some water. Or, even better, some vinegar to wash it down.
My head, I have a headache. I need to get water.
As you can see, he really does not want to do this.
Okay,
He put vinegar
I'm gonna stop stalling, guys.
and hot sauce in mine. So I got back with the paste, the Thai, whatever it's called, paste.
The Thai curry paste. It's literally a paste. Okay, guys, ready, go.
It looks horrible. This is so funny. Use the water, use the water. Dude, use the water. Dude, I think he's crying. You brought it on me. Alright, that's it. I think Simon's done. Bye.
Bye.